Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here. In this video we're going to show our 10079 76-piece master ratcheting tap and die set, and we're going to show it in action so you can see what it does. A master set like this is a true problem solver and a real lifesaver. Everything you need is right here, so when you're working on a restoration project or fixing that strip bolt on the lawnmower, there's no running around trying to find things. There's no back and forth to the hardware store. And if you find this video helpful, please let us know with a like or a comment down below. So let's get into it. This set includes 34 taps and 34 dies, 18 SAE from 4x40 to half by 20, and a 1/8 MPT 27. 16 metric sizes from 3x0.5 to 12x175 and 1/8 BSP 28. You also have one die chuck, one hex key, one screwdriver plus a rod bar, SAE and metric thread pitch gauges, a step chuck, and a reversible ratcheting 72-tooth T-wrench. It's also packed in this nice case with die sizes marked and tap holders are marked too to keep all the pieces organized. And the tap holders tip out for easy access and also are removable. This case will last the tool's lifetime. Constructed of high-quality bearing steel with titanium coating on each tap and die for increased durability. The sizes marked clearly on each size, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. The T-handled wrench features a 72-tooth reversible ratcheting design, which is nice because it requires less effort to turn screw threads. It also has a great hand feel with vertical panels that fit comfortably in the palm and is designed to give you more leverage and control. We also have a quick release so the tap and die chucks allow for rapid switching, making things work smoother and efficient, especially providing versatility for your large thread work projects. It also includes these folding thread spec gauges. It comes in both metric and SAE sizes, so you have a quick measurement reference if you need it on a thread. So the first step is determining your size and pitch of the thread, or the thread count. If you don't already know the bolt size, you can measure the size of the bolt using the pitch gauge to determine the thread count. In this demo, we are going to use the 3/8/16 for the actual threading demonstration. Remember to always use proper protection for your safety when you're doing your projects. Once you know the size of your bolt, you can select the proper drill size and drill your material and use the appropriate tap to match your bolt. There are charts online that can assist you with proper drill bit selection for your project. Clean your area and deburr the hole for the best results. Install the tap into the chuck and place the chuck into the T-handle. Apply proper lubricant and align with the hole. This is critical. You want to have proper alignment with the hole to get the thread alignment. Otherwise your tap could break or your bolt is going to be off center or at an unwanted angle to your hole. Go ahead and apply steady, gentle pressure, keeping proper alignment, and begin turning. Get the first couple of threads in, and this is where the ratcheting wrench shines. Now you can go to work, quickly and easily threading your hole. It is important to keep things well lubricated and clear of tapping debris as possible. This will help ensure a successful project, especially when doing a hole that doesn't go all the way through or a blind hole. In this demo, we're going to actually be going all the way through. When repairing damaged threads in a bolt hole, you want to make sure you've properly identified your dimensions and selected the appropriate tap. Also, when you're in a tight area, you can set up with a small bar, giving you extra clearance. You want to clean and lubricate the hole. This is a critical step in the project, is alignment. You need to make sure you're properly aligned. You want to chase the threads that are already there and not create a new set. So take your time. You don't want to be at an angle to the hole. You don't want to make an extra set of threads, otherwise you can get cross-threaded and have a bigger mess than what you started with. When finished chasing the threads, you can clean the hole and test. Make sure you've chosen the appropriate material and die size for your project. In this case, we have 3/8 round stock, and we're going to use a 3/8/16 die. Make sure your round stock is clean and you have a slight taper to help you get started. Load your die in the chuck with the proper side out like this. Note the size markings are shown when you've got it in the chuck properly. Use the Allen wrench included in the kit and tighten. Here's the critical part. Make sure you have proper alignment to the round stock and you have a lubricated die. Apply even and gentle pressure to start. So the ratcheting wrench makes the job quick and easy. You also can repair damaged bolt threads in basically the same operation. Clean, deburr, and properly align. So there you have it, our 10079 76-piece master SAE and metric ratcheting tap and die set. that will last generations of service, saving you time and money, and that's a pretty good investment. Also, if you found this demo helpful, let us know with a like or comment down below, and subscribe. It really helps us connect with more people. Also, if there is a tool or procedure you'd like us to go over, let us know. And as always, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.